Morning plan. David, we must finish the client report before 3 today.
Okay, Emma. Is it a big report?
Not very big, but it needs clear numbers.
I can check the numbers with you.
Great. First, we need the sales file.
I saved it in the shared folder yesterday.
Good. Can you open it now?
Yes. Give me 1 minute.
After that, we can write the short summary.
Do we have a meeting about it?
Yes, at 11 with Mr. Green.
Then we should start right now.
Checking emails.
Emma, the client sent a new email.
What do they need?
They want the chart in blue and gray.
That is easy. We can change it.
They also ask for last month's total.
It is in the sales file.
I see it. The total is here.
Please copy that number into the report.
Done. Should I reply to the email?
Yes, say we will send the report today.
Should I write before 3?
Yes, please. That is important. The team meeting. The meeting was short, but we have more work.
Yes. Mr. Green wants 1 more page.
He wants a simple plan for next week.
I can make a list of tasks.
Good idea. Use short sentences.
How many tasks do we need?
5 tasks are enough.
Okay, I will write them now.
I will fix the chart colors.
Do we have enough time?
Yes, if we stay focused.
Then, let's go back to our desks.
Lunch and a problem.
Emma, do you want coffee before we print?
Yes, thank you. I need a short break.
The report looks better now.
Yes, the blue chart is clear.
I finished the task list too.
Excellent. We are on time.
Wait, I just got a message.
Is there a problem?
Yes, the printer is not working.
Oh no, we need 1 paper copy.
I can check the printer after lunch.
Thank you. Let's fix it together. Sending the report.
Good news, Emma. The printer works now.
Great job, David. What was wrong?
There was no paper in the tray.
That was simple but important.
Here is the first copy.
Thank you. The pages look good.
Should we send the email now?
Yes. Please attach the report.
Done. It is ready to send.
Wait. Let's read the subject line.
It says, Client report for today.
Perfect. Send it now, please.
Sent. It is 2:45.
We finished before 3. Well done.